So today we are going to discuss how to calculate the number of triangles within this given triangles. So there are few steps or certain steps you need to follow to do this, and these are the given figures which might be given to you in your exam and will be told to find the total number of triangles. So what you need to do, first step is calculate the total number of triangles which are aligned with or attached with the right hand side of the triangle. Okay, which means this side, right hand side. So total number of triangles is which are attached with the right hand side of the triangle. Sorry, I am showing the left hand side. You can take the right hand side also, no problem. So which are attached to the left hand side of the triangle, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now what you have to do, draw a column, and before that I am going to show for this one how many triangles are present which are attached to the left hand side of the triangle. This is 1 and 2. So these are odd number of triangles which are attached with the left hand side of the triangle, and these are odd number of triangles. So the process goes the same, but there is a slight difference between the odd if the count is odd and if the count is even. So I am going to tell you. So the first step is to find the number of triangles will be write 1, and as you go higher up to the stages you have to write the cumulative one. So as this is odd number of triangles, on the right hand side you don't have to write anything, put a cross mark. Okay, or you might write 0 also. Okay, now coming to the when we are moving up, it will be cumulative of 1 plus 2. So it will be 1 plus 2, and on this part, that is on the even step, you have to write similar thing on the right hand side, 1 plus 2. Okay, and for the next stage will be 3, which is the odd stage. You have to write 1 plus 2 plus 3, and on the left hand side, on the right hand side you have to write 0 over here, and calculate the total number of it. For the left hand side it will be nothing but 10, and for the right hand side it will be 3. So total 13 number of triangles are present on the figure which are having this type of thing, or total 30 number of triangles are present in this given figure. Okay, so now let's calculate for this one. So what is let's repeat it once again. So for the even stage you have to write the number which are on the LHS, you have to write it in the RHS also, but for the odd stages like this 2 you have to write 0. Okay, this will be just the opposite of even. Okay, so let's see. So the first one will be 1, and over here on the left hand side you have to write 1, that is the first part, and on the right hand side you have to write the same thing. On the odd stage you have to write the same thing on the left hand side and the right hand side. For the even stage, that is on this or the even step, you have to write the cumulative one, and on the right hand side you have to put a 0, and now you have to calculate. So 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So total number of triangles present in this triangle is nothing but 5. Okay, so I hope it is clear. I am going to show you another example, I think, which will make you more clear. So let's take one. So this is the given figure to you. Okay, now you have to calculate the total number of triangles within this figure. So what is the first step? The first step is calculate the total number of triangles which are lying on the left hand side base of your triangle. Okay, now this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 number of triangles, that is even number of triangles which are present over here or which are having the base on the left hand side of the triangle. Okay, so what you have to do, so for the even stage, or even if the number of triangles is even, what you have to do, on the odd step you have to write the same thing as you have written on the LHS, you have to write the same thing on the RHS, and on the even step you have to write 0. So let's check it. So number of triangles will be nothing but, so this is the odd step, so you have to write the same thing which you have written in this LHS part. So 1, so 1 plus 2, as is the even step you have to write 0. Again the odd step, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which as is the odd step, and this is even number of triangles, so we have to write the same thing on the LHS, 1 plus 2 plus 3. And for this step, that is the even step, fourth step, 3 plus 4, you have to write 0. Now calculate it and get the result. This will give you 20 and this will give you 7. So 27 number of triangles which are present in this figure. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos on this. Thank you.